Hi everyone. In this video, we will be talking about ChatGPT, the powerful AI language model developed by OpenAI, Microsoft. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that uses artificial intelligence to generate text that resembles human writing. It was trained on a massive amount of text data to produce accurate and natural-looking responses. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by using advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze input and generate output. It has a deep understanding of language and uses this knowledge to generate text that sounds like it was written by a human, and it have ability to continuously learn and improve. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. Applications of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be used in a variety of ways, including building chatbots, text generation, language translation, and more. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for businesses, researchers, and developers. Advantages of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a highly advanced AI model capable of generating human-like text responses. It can answer a wide range of questions and provide insights on various topics. It can save time and resources compared to manual data processing. Additionally, it can handle multiple requests simultaneously and operate 24/7, providing quick and efficient customer service. ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving, leading to more accurate responses over time. Disadvantages of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is limited by the training data and may not always provide accurate or appropriate answers. It can also struggle with understanding context, sarcasm, and complex topics. It is also not able to experience emotions or physical sensations, so it may not be able to understand certain emotions. Additionally, it may perpetuate biases present in the training data. In conclusion, we know if something have advantages, then they have disadvantages too. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great such content.